Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, today, the day after the second Christmas Day. We have here not so good news. Only one a regular puzzle, and it's a medium Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, December the 27th. Yes, only one regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku. Let me show you that in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Well, what I will do is I will search in my archive for an old puzzle, and I believe there are 3 puzzles left in the edition of I believe in the edition of Thursday, December the 8th, 2022. 3 puzzles are left: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic. Alright, but first we will solve this baby number. Sudoku Medium number 5694, I believe. Yes, 5694. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Well, it seems like the medium Sudokus has always 26 printed digits. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Which number can I pick? How about the 9 in this column? The 9 in the middle column. So the column next down. Need 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the last row. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1, 2. Okay. Oh, then. Let me see. 3, 4, 6, 7 in this row. 7 in middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 9 in this row. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there. We see a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 9, okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this column. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this row for number 2. Okay. So 3 and a 4. I need to wait. Alright. 6, okay. How about the number? Let me see. 7, 5, yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Then. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. How about these two missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and an 8. We have 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1. How about these two missing numbers in this big square? For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. Two missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So now we have, let me think. 2, 2, okay. 3, 3. 1 missing number in this row. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Okay. So, think. We have a 2 in the third column, the 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this column. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. The 2 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in the second row for number 3. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. I cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. Right. How about 1, 2, 2, and 8. Yeah, need an 8. Need an 8. Come on. Well, 5, 5, 3, and 6. 5, 3, 6. No. 4, 4. Come on. 4, 4. 6 and 8. 2, 3, 4, 4. 7 and 8. 4, 7, 8, and a 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 8, 9. 4, 7, 8, 9, 4, 7, 8, 9, 4, 7, 8, 9, 4, 7, 8, 9. And look, we have a 7 and 8 in this big square. And we have a 9 in this row. So no 7, 8, and a 9 in this box. So one digit left should be the 4. Okay. So 7, 8, 9, and 9. 7, 8, and 9. 7, 8, and a 9. Here can be a 7. So the 7 should be in one of these two boxes. Okay. 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. Think. The 1 in this column. The 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. Here 1 in this row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit 1, number 1. Okay. Can I continue with the 3? No, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. We have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the 2 in the last column, the 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2 in the last row, no 2 there. Here 2 in the row above, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 2. Alright. Then, how about 8 and 9? Let me think. 4. But the 5 then. 5. 5. No 5 here. 5. 5. No. No. 7. Well, the 6 then. 6. Yeah. 6 in the third column. 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 6. Alright. Then 4 and 8. No. Cannot fill this yet. How about here? 4 and 8. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row. Third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. 5 in the first column. 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 box left in the first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the now we have a 5 here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And if I know 2 numbers in this big square, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 and the 6 and 7 and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve 8 to starts Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other 3 puzzles in the edition of December the 8th. Yes, we have 3 puzzles left. We have no additional in today's newspaper, no extra puzzles, so I think it's the holidays. The publisher is on holiday. I hope tomorrow we have extra puzzles. Otherwise, yeah, these days will be hard to have a holiday, yeah, because you need to do something. How about puzzles? All right. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. And, well, see you later. Bye-bye for now.